Hi, I'm Evan from Dynamo Plumbing. I've been lucky enough to join Halo right at the start, and I have enjoyed the benefits of fantastic pricing through Mycos, and I've also had knowledge that's helped me as a plumber, not only on the tools, but how to run a business through systems, and how to actually smarten your dynamic as a business. What it's meant to me is actually time with my family. It stopped me working 300 million hours a day and watching other people grow my family through phone messages and pictures and stuff like that. Has actually given me back that time. So what it means to me is freedom, time and money. So that's why I joined Halo.